Every single student who has applied for NEET, JEE and similar exams was hopeful that the situation would relatively turn normal soon, but the infection count of COVID-19 kept on rising at an alarming rate with each passing day. The National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test, that is NEET, whose marks are used for admission into the technical and medical courses in various colleges across the country, was in fact scheduled for May 3, 2020. However, an unexpected countrywide lockdown, then as well as pending board exams for a few subjects, forced Education Ministry's National Testing Agency, that is NTA, to postpone and reschedule it for the last week of May. Reportedly, the decision was taken to avoid any inconvenience to students and guardians who had to travel to different centers across the country for the exam. A month later, during a webinar with students, Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced that the Joint Entrance Examination Main, that is JEE Main, would be held from July 18 to July 23 and NEET on July 26. JEE Advanced was scheduled to be held in August. However, based on recommendations of a panel set up to review the situation for conducting the exams, the dates of JEE Main 2020, NEET 2020 exam were again revised. Even though delaying the exams has had a major impact on the academic calendar, it was inevitable since many test centers were located in containment zones and safety of the students was top priority. Taking into account the prevailing situation, Pokhriyal again announced JEE examination will be held between September 1 and 6, JEE Advanced exam on September 27 and NEET on September 30. The National Testing Agency also prepared a testing app through which students can complete their preparations.
हम आपसे लगातार कहते रहे हैं कि आपकी सुरक्षा हमारे लिए पहला है और उसके बाद शिक्षा, और शिक्षा भी गुणवत्ता युक्त शिक्षा, और इसलिए ये JEE मेन परीक्षा 1 सितंबर से और 6 सितंबर के बीच की जाएगी, जबकि NEET की परीक्षा को 13 सितंबर को सुनिश्चित किया गया है। और आपको ये भी जिज्ञासा होगी कि JEE एडवांस को कब होना है, तो 27 सितंबर 2020 को उसकी भी परीक्षा की तिथियों को निश्चित किया गया है। मुझे भरोसा है आप पूरी ताकत के साथ और बड़ी मस्ती के साथ, बिना तनाव के, ये जो वक्त मिला है आपको, ये आपको और सशक्त और मजबूती का वक्त मिला है और आपको अपनी प्रतिभाओं का और निखार लाने का वक्त मिला है। मेरी शुभकामना कि आप बहुत अच्छी तैयारी करें।
But opposing this, a plea was moved in the Supreme Court to quash and set aside public notices issued by the NTA. Citing the worsening COVID crisis, the petition filed by Advocate Alok Srivastava on behalf of 11 students from 11 states urged the Apex Court to give directions to the centre to wait for some time more and conduct JEE and NEET exams only after normalcy is restored in the country. Raising similar concerns, candidates across the country have been demanding the postponement of the exams, and eventually senior leaders led the voices of dissent. BJP MP Subramanian Swamy sought Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention to direct the Education Ministry to postpone NEET and JEE till Diwali and warned of suicides by youths otherwise. Bengal CM Mamata Banerjee appealed the centre to assess the risk and postpone these examinations until the situation is conducive again. She stressed that it is the duty of the government to ensure a safe environment for all students. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also urged the government to take into account Mann Ki Baat of JEE and NEET students who have been demanding postponement of the entrance examinations. Notwithstanding the chorus for postponement, the National Testing Agency categorically stated that the exams are on course and will be held on the dates as scheduled. The NTA highlighted the Supreme Court order which states there is absolutely no justification in the prayers made for the postponement of the examinations in questions relating to NEET UG 2020 as well as JEE Main 2020. The court said ultimately life has to go on despite the pandemic situation, and that postponement could put the career of the students in jeopardy, thereby wasting a full academic year. More than 50% of COVID cases are from rural areas, which means transportation of the poor students in these areas will be a major issue. Exam centers are not in every district, plus many students have been allotted far-off centers. Few students will have to move out to other cities for the exam a day in advance, which might increase the susceptibility of getting infected. Some states still have lockdowns and containment zones in place. And with public transport put on the halt, poor students will face problems in arranging private vehicles, and if someone accompanies them in their travel, it would further complicate the situation. In these circumstances, there is also no guarantee that students will get healthy and hygienic food during their stay near center allotted to them. Concerns have also been raised by students from Bihar, Assam states in the northeast region, rattled by flood situation and the COVID pandemic. Further, many aspirants and their family members have contracted the virus, and thus it could have hampered their preparation both mentally and physically. In addition, thousands of students from abroad have to come to India for the examination following a mandatory quarantine guideline. The SC declined the exams. Centers in Gulf nations hearing a plea to hold NEET 2020 at exam centers in Gulf countries, the Supreme Court asked the central government to allow students to come via Vande Bharat mission flights to appear for the exams. The top court said, though there can be no relaxation in COVID quarantine norms, the concerned state authorities can be approached to seek relaxation. It is to be noted that the JEE Main candidates were provided 5 opportunities to change the exam centers. A total of 6,61,911 candidates availed this opportunity, and they were considered for centers based upon their latest, that's the revised option. So far, lakhs of candidates have downloaded the admit cards, and of the total candidates, 99% have been given the first chance of centers of their preference. Only 120 candidates have requested for a change in the center cities allotted to them, which is being looked into sympathetically, is what the NTA stated in a statement. The situation is no different in Odisha. This year, more than 50,000 students from Odisha are appearing in NEET and around 40,000 in JEE Main. However, NTA has opened examination centers for the same tests in only 7 townships of the state. Highlighting the drawbacks, Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has written to Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank seeking postponement of the exams. In view of the prevailing COVID pandemic situation in the country, it would be highly unsafe and perilous for the students to visit the test center physically to appear in these tests. Besides, as frequent lockdown shutdowns are being enforced by the concerned district administration due to sudden escalation of the COVID positive cases locally, the local transportation also gets disrupted. Further, Odisha has got vast tribal pockets having geographically inaccessible areas far away from the urban centers of the state. As such, the students of these areas may be deprived of appearing in these tests, as they will have to travel long distances to come to the examination centers. Therefore, the CM has requested to postpone the ensuing JEE Main and NEET examination to a later date to ensure the safety and security of the students. Besides, Naveen Patnaik has also requested Pokhriyal to direct NTA to open centers in all the 30 districts of the state, so that students have to travel maximum 2 to 3 hours to reach the test centers and go back home the same day, and ensure maximum participation of the students in these tests. More than 16 lakh candidates have registered in NEET UG 2020 for admissions into MBBS, BDS courses and other undergraduate medical courses in recognized medical, dental and other colleges in India. The number of candidates for JEE Main is over 9 lakh. While postponed JEE Main trend has set social platforms abuzz, it remains to be seen how the concerned ministries and examination boards would evaluate the scenario and necessitate changes in schedule. If there is a possibility, there can be only a temporary solution to this, or else all students would lose 1 year and compete with an added bunch next year for the same number of seats, ultimately ruining a year of those who genuinely want to appear in the exams.